Hey, what's up guys, Josh here with YugaTech, and Xiaomi just formally launched their latest flagship smartphone, the Mi 11, during a global launch event today. Fortunately, we were able to secure a review unit, and now we have it on hand to unbox it for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Opening the Mi 11's oversized packaging, we're greeted first with this really special phone case that came with our package. It's made of eco leather that feels really nice, soft, and premium. We also get some paperwork, a standard jelly case, the SIM ejector tool, and a 3.5mm Type-C adapter. Next up is the Mi 11 itself in this pristine white color. It feels pretty hefty in the hands, and immediately we can notice that huge rear camera module. But for now, let's set this aside. Lastly, we have a USB Type-C cable as well as the 55-watt charger. Now checking out the Mi 11 itself, you can see that shiny glass that curves towards the sides and even the top and bottom ends of the display. It's a 6.81-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, making for quite a tall aspect ratio of 20:9 and a super sharp pixel density of 515 pixels per inch. It runs at a refresh rate of 120Hz and supports HDR10+. Under the display, we get a fingerprint sensor that works smoothly and accurately. The front panel is protected by the new Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is actually 2 times more scratch resistant than Gorilla Glass 6 and can survive drops of up to 2 meters. Moving to the back, we have the blue colored glass panel made up of Gorilla Glass as well, and you can see that huge camera module headlined by the 108-megapixel lens, a 13-megapixel ultrawide, and 5-megapixel macro lenses, along with a dual LED dual-tone flash. On the right side are the power button and volume rocker. Now there's nothing to see on the left side, but up top you can find the noise-canceling microphone, the secondary speakers by Harman Kardon, and an IR blaster. At the bottom you can find a Type-C port, speaker grills, primary microphone, and the SIM slot. Inside the slot is a dual SIM tray, both of which are 5G capable. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card slot here, so you're stuck with the default storage capacity. Now powering the Mi 11 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with an Adreno 660 GPU, along with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage. For software, we get the familiar MIUI 12 on top of Android 11. As for battery, the Mi 11 comes with a large 4600 mAh polymer battery that supports Quick Charge 4 Plus and Power Delivery 3.0. With the 55-watt charger, you can get from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. Wireless charging is also very fast at 50 watts, and the Mi 11 can even charge other devices via reverse wireless charging. Connectivity features are also complete and up to date with support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, dual-band GPS, NFC, and dual standby 5G. Now taking a closer look at the camera system, at the rear we get a 108-megapixel main sensor with PDAF and optical image stabilization, a 13-megapixel ultrawide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. And in the front we get a single 20-megapixel shooter. The shots we took so far look amazing, crisp, and nicely saturated. They were also easy to take as focusing is fast and accurate, resulting in better shots as well. The Super Macro mode is also very powerful, and thanks to the OIS, it's very stable even if you have shaky hands. Video capability is equally impressive with frame rates up to 480 frames per second at 1080p and 60 frames per second at 4 and 8K resolutions. So far, we're really liking the design and specs of the Xiaomi Mi 11. We get a top-notch processor, a powerful camera system, full suite of connectivity, and a large battery capacity. All of that for just about $800 US. Not bad. Not bad at all. The Mi 11 should hit local stores soon, and we'll be sure to share with you guys the local pricing details over at our official website at yugatech.com. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this unboxing and hands-on of the new Xiaomi Mi 11. What do you guys think about this phone? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.